Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is one of the most popular Jamaican dishes ever to exist. And it is rice and peas. And if you grew up in a Jamaican household, then you will definitely know about waking up on a Sunday morning to the sounds of reggae music and the smell of peas boiling in preparation for Sunday dinner. So what I actually did for you guys is I put together a nice little Spotify playlist of all my favourite reggae tracks when I was growing up for you guys to listen to whilst you're following my recipe. So if you enjoy this recipe and you also enjoy my Spotify playlist, which I'll link down below of course, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think and I shall see you guys next time. So for this recipe I'm going to use fresh peas, we like to say, or dried kidney beans. You can get this from most world food sections in your supermarkets. And then we're just going to weigh them out and we're going to rinse them using our sieve and the cold water tap. And I just kind of whisk them around and just give them a bit of a rinse. And then I'm going to drop them into a pot and add in some cold water to rehydrate the peas. It's best to do this overnight. If you don't rehydrate the peas, they will take forever to boil and it will just be the longest process ever. So yeah, if you forgot to do this overnight, the night before, so on Saturday night as a child, you're definitely in trouble because you're gonna mash up the Sunday dinner. But yeah, Sunday morning, we wanna get up now and we wanna remove the peas from that water, separate it, and then drop it back into the pot. And then we're gonna add in our sliced onions. So I just cut them in half and then slice them. And then we also want to add in a couple of squashed garlics, and then our scallion, which I like to squash before I put in there, and also some fresh thyme, always fresh thyme if you can, bay leaves, and also lastly some ground pimento. There's nothing worse than having rice and peas and biting into a whole pimento seed. It is not nice and it's unnecessary, so ground pimento always, I say. And then we're just going to mix that around, and this is the basis of our peas water that we're going to season later. It's going to taste amazing. So we want to leave that to boil on a medium-high heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then you can check if your peas are quite soft by just squashing them between your fingers. And then we want to go ahead and add back in some more hot water that we lost when the peas were boiling. And now we're going to season our peas water. So you want to add in some sea salt and black pepper, which I forgot to show, mixed herbs, paprika, garlic granules, and also the creamed coconut. So I just shave this off with a sharp knife on a chopping board, and I just shave off as much as I need by weighing it out. Then you want to add that in, and this is like the peas water that really helps form that beautiful tasting rice and peas. So it's very, very important. You can also drop in your scotch bonnet, but I like to do it later. And then you want to boil them for another 20 minutes. And then after that, they should be really soft and ready to go. So we want to go ahead and add in our rice. I always use basmati and I love Tilda. So we're going to weigh out our rice and then we're just going to wash that however you guys wash your rice personally. And then with our washed rice, we're going to add that in to the pot and we're going to mix it around properly so that there's no peas clumped in one area. Add in some more fresh thyme and then the scotch bonnet if you didn't do it earlier. Make sure we've mixed it up properly, everything's mixed up and nice, but our scotch bonnet is still sitting on top. And then we're going to leave it on a low to medium heat for about 20 minutes. And then after this point, you'll notice that a lot of that water has reduced, but the rice is not quite done yet and it still needs to dry out. So we use a fork always. I use like a barbecue fork to mix, never a spoon. Just give it a bit of a mix. Pop that scotch bonnet back in, and then to allow it to steam, we want to cover our pot lid with foil or cling film, and this really helps create that steam effect. And then I just do it like that, pop that back on top, and I turn it down to a low heat and leave it to steam for about another 20 minutes. Then we're done, basically. Take out that scotch bonnet, give it a bit of a mix, and you'll notice that the rice looks shelly, as we call it. So it's not putty, it's not stodgy, it doesn't look clumpy. It just looks nice and like dried, but I don't know how to explain it. It's just shelly, isn't it? And then on a Sunday, usually we have it like a buffet family style around the table. So I serve the rice into a big bowl. And yeah, this is it basically. It's got that nice brown color. It's not stodgy, it's not clumped together. It's dried out correctly and it's perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to check me out on all my social media and give me a thumbs up. And I shall see you guys next time. Mwah!